Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So who all are new to my channel, so please subscribe it, hit the bell again so that you will get the notification. So here is my course details, AWS 02 Hero course. So I'm going to upload all the videos in this playlist. Okay, so let's talk about today topic, Elastic Beanstalk. Okay, so what is this actually Elastic Beanstalk in the AWS? How it is working, where we can use it. Okay, so let's talk about all those things. Okay, so we can quickly deploy the and manage the application in the cloud. Okay, so any developer they wanted to deploy any application, so they don't want it to dependent on the infrastructure. Okay, so they just wanted to deploy the they have to build the application, they can upload it, they can able to access the application. Okay, so without knowing the infrastructure knowledge also we can able to run the application. Okay, so then so elastic beanstalk it is going to be supported. So here is a languages it is going to be supported. For example, Java, .NET, PHP, Python, Ruby, these are all the things it is going to be support. Okay, so let's verify that. So once we created elastic beanstalk, okay, so from the backend it is going to be created in EC2 machine. Okay, if you want load balancer, domain data, domain is going to be created, and if you want CloudWatch alarm, you can set up it. Security group. So all the things it is going to be created. Okay. So let's jump into the official documentation. Okay. So here is official documentation. So it is just saying that you can upload and deploy web application in simplified fast way. Okay. So that is why Elastic Beanstalk we can use it. Okay, and so we don't want it to wait your infrastructure to be created. Okay, so you need to focus on the writing the code instead of the provisioning and managing the infrastructure. Okay, so there is other things also it is there, so we can able to utilize it. Okay, so how it is working, this AWS Elastic Beanstalk. So if you're able to see it here, okay, so whenever we created any Elastic Beanstalk, okay, it is showing that application code and Elastic Beanstalk platform. Okay, so from the backend it is going to be created all those things. Okay, so cloud formation, EC2, S3 bucket, Amazon CloudWatch, everything it is going to be created. Later we can able to access the web application. Okay, if you wanted to say that use cases, quickly launch your web application, mobile API, okay, and re-platform critical business application. So in this case, we can able to do that. Okay. So let's jump into the console. So let's go to the Elastic Beanstalk. So from here also you can just search it out, Elastic Beanstalk. So from here you can just click the create application. So from here what you can do, just mention that Elastic Beanstalk. Okay, just copy. And this is the environment details. If you wanted to mention productions or anything, you can just mention it. So for example, if you have any uh, uh, domain details, if if you wanted to access it, just mention it. I'll just mention it as a virtual. Okay, this is going to be verify that this is available or not. Okay, I'll just mention 1, 2, 3. Let's see, it should be available. So okay, this is available. Okay, in the description I'll mention it. So if you wanted to use it any other platform, you can use it. Python, I'm going to use it. So if you have your existing code, you can just upload it here. Right now I don't have any code, so I'm going to use a sample application. So from the configuration presents, so this is going to be create single instance. Okay, if you want high availability, so you can use it according to your requirement. Okay, service role, so you can create a new role also, that's fine. If you wanted to, you need to attach the key pair, and any role also you can just attach it. I'm going to attach it some randomly. Okay, so this is related to machine. Okay, so I'm going to create it. Okay, from here I'm going to select the default. Okay, and from here you can just mention all the availability zone. If you're using a database, you can use the availability zone. For that, you can mention that database everything. If you want to, you can enable it from here. Okay, mention all the things. I don't have any databases as of now. I'm not going to use it. Just next, click it. Sorry. Okay, let's disable the database. Let's go. Okay, so the root volume type, I'm going to use it general purpose 3. That is the latest one. And security group, I'm going to use it default one. This is a single instance I required. If you want load balance, you can use it load balance. Undefined instance, I'm going to use it. Okay, so this one you can make it as a all default. If you required any customization, you need to according to the requirement, you need to enable it. Okay, right now for the health monitoring, I'm going for basic. So if you need any notification, just mention the your email ID here. Okay, and deployment, those are all, I'll leave it as a default. So container option, there's a two option. One is Apache Nginx. You can use it anyone. That's fine. Enrolled option names Elastic Beanstalk Manager. Okay, manage mountains require enhanced health reporting system type. Let's come back here. Let's cancel it. Let's create it once again. Okay, 123. It's available. I'll default. I'm going to use it Python. Okay, next. So I'll be using default. So maybe we have enabled the database due to that it is not working. So let's select only for the instance where we do not require any database details because we don't require it. We are not connecting anything. So let it be default all the things. Here it should be select default is and just make it next. So make it all the default. If it is required any requirement to be changes, you can just change it according to again requirement. Okay. Then you can just go back to the AWS EC2 console. The instance going to be created here. So this will take some time. Let's wait for that. Still it is pending. Let me say it in the backend. Yeah. So Elastic Beanstalk, the instance it is created. So let's open the domain. Still the default website it is not up. So still it is up. It will not get any error. So in the meantime, you can just mention the tags related Elastic Beanstalk details. So if you want any updates and trial RAMs, you can create it. Monitoring also you can able to monitor it. Metrics, everything here. CPU utilization, networking, network out, logs details. Okay, and health checkup. Let's wait for here. The events getting storing here, waiting for the EC2 to launch it. So let's wait for another 2 minutes. So still it is creating. Okay, let me come to here. Let's refresh it. Yeah, I think it is come up. So there is a DNS here, domain details. You can just open it. So you'll get a default web page. If you wanted to deploy any Django application or Flask application or in Python containers, you can just click it. It will redirect it to official documentation. So follow the steps to deploy the application. Okay. So this is all about Elastic Beanstack. Okay. So maybe it is still showing pending. It should be status LD. So let's wait for to come up with yeah. So if you're able to see it, environment successfully launched. Okay. So if you wanted to upload any codes, you can just upload it. Top of this. That is also possible. Okay. And other than that, if you come to the below, so monitoring it is already enabled and okay, and configuration details it will be there. If you wanted to modify it, you can able to modify it. Okay, for example, key pair, you can if you want, you can just edit it. You can change the key pair also. That is possible. Okay, it is already test only. Okay, so other than that, nothing. So let's delete the still it is pending. So let's delete the Elastic mistakes. So just copy the entire thing and paste it out over here. Sorry, you need to copy this one. So it will take some time to delete it because still it is under pending only. So this is all about Elastic Beanstacks. Okay. So again, all are new to my channel. So do not forget to subscribe it. So see you in the next session. Thanks everyone. Bye bye.